Hey guys, it's Shanae from WTI. So I wanted to show you one of my favorite snacks to take when I'm on the go, and that's these mini fruit bars. They're called That's It. Now, as you can probably guess from the name, they're made up of very simple ingredients. This one is made from apples and blueberries, so there's no added sugars, there's no eggs or nuts or dairy. It's just 100% real fruit, and that really is it. So you can feel good about eating them because you know they're made up of wholesome ingredients. And they taste really good as well. I'll open them up so you can see what it looks like. So they have a soft and sticky texture that's very easy to chew. I'll actually break these up and give them to my 9-month-old, and he has no problem eating them. They have a very natural sweet taste, just like the taste of fruit. So I like to carry these around in my purse because they're a healthy and delicious snack. They're guilt-free, only 50 calories per bar, and made from wholesome ingredients. So definitely recommend these, and that's my point of view.